Hello, my name is Alejandro Padi and I'm a counsel at the Department of Corporate Law in Garrigues. I'm also head of the Privacy and IT department, and in such a position I do both the advising to clients and also I coordinate the global group of IT and privacy in Garrigues at the global level. My experience regarding the digital world started very soon when I learned to program in basic code when I bought a Sinclair Spectrum when I was 14, and from then on I always had something to do with the technology or digital issues, and then also as a lawyer too. I've been now for 9 years in Garrigues, and before that my experience was as an in-house lawyer in a telecoms operator. So I was the weird guy in the telecoms between the engineers, and now I'm the weird lawyer among lawyers because I do technology issues. You can also check my profile in my personal blog, www.padin.com, or in my LinkedIn page or my Twitter account.